Okay, children. Today we are going to read. Okay, I am going to teach you. I am going to explain you about the cardinal number of the set. And cardinal number of the set means the number of elements. Okay, present in a set. How many elements there? How many elements are there in the set? That is known as the cardinal number of the set. Okay, Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Sarita, are you listening my sound?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As I told you just now, I want to repeat it. Cardinal number of set means the number of elements present in a set. Okay, children? Number of elements present in a set is known as the cardinal number of set. And look here, I am going to show you here the definition also. I want to tell Aditya, can you read it?
The number of elements present or contained in any given set is called as cardinal number of set. If the given set is A, then cardinal number of the set is represented by n.
And A.
A.
And A must be a
Do
caps
you
lock here. Tell.
do you know equivalent sets are described or defined by the cardinal number only?
Yes. Cardinal number, suppose set A is given there, then its cardinal number will be written by small n, and inside this small bracket we have to write capital A. This is read, okay, we have to read it by cardinal number of set A. Okay, children? How to read this? Where I am showing the pointer, look here, this pointer, cardinal number of set A. Read it like this, okay? Cardinal number of set A. And we know that if there are, you know, two sets, okay, in those two sets, if there is same cardinal number, okay, same cardinal number means those sets are known as equivalent sets. Okay, that means equivalent sets, okay, are defined by using the cardinal number. Okay, if one set if there are three elements, okay, that means its cardinal number is 3, right? And another state, if there are also three elements, that will be the cardinal number of another state. In such case, those two sets are known as the equivalent sets. That means equivalent sets are defined by using the cardinal number of the sets. Understood, children? And listen here, in this given Venn diagram, I am showing here one Venn diagram. Look here, NU. NU equals to 10, NA equals to 4, NB equals to 4, okay, and A union B equals to 6, and NA intersection, here must be intersection, okay, here must be intersection 1, this blank one, I want to show you there again, it came there, A intersection B, is there coming the Venn diagram one figure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
this is the Venn diagram, okay, this is the example that is made by me, look here. This will be helpful to do the exercise of your book also. Okay, children, look here. This is set A. In set A, inside set A, can you count how many elements are there?
So 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There means how many elements are there?
4.
4 elements are there. Good. That's why its cardinal number is 4. Here, look here. NA means cardinal number of set A is 4. Understood, children? And look here. Inside set B, how many elements are there?
4.
4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then, okay, so then look here. Okay, Aditya, can you tell what are the common elements of this Venn diagram one? Set A and set B. What are the common elements?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. That means A intersection B means how? What is this cardinal number A intersection B? A intersection B, how many elements are common there?
Sir,
2 elements are common.
2.
That's why its cardinal number is 2. And altogether A and B combined one. A union B, how many elements are there? A union B, how many elements are there? A union B, how many elements are there altogether?
Sir, 6.
sir, 6.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, right? Altogether there are 6 elements. That's why an A union B is 6. Cardinal number of A union B is 6. Now similar look here. A union B complement means what? A union B complement means except 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Except this A and B. How many elements are there outside?
4.
4. 4.
4, 5, 5, 7, 9, 10. These are the elements of an A union B complement. Sadiq sir, have you understood? Look here. An A,
Yes,
an,
sir.
look here. An A intersection B complement. An A intersection B complement means except this 2 and 4. Except 2 and 4, look here. A intersection B means 2 and 4. A intersection B complement means this 2 and 4 will be subtracted from this universal set. What will be remaining there? 1, 3, 6, 8, 5, 10,
8.
7, 9. How many are there altogether? 8 elements are there.
8.
Good. Now tell, look here, only A. What is the meaning of only A? Look here. Only A means this 1 and 3. How many elements are there only A? Only A.
Sir, 2.
2.
2 elements are there because only A, this 1 and 3. Can you read this one once again? How to read this? And not A. And not A means this only A. Only A means this
Only.
2. Yeah, 1 and 3. These 2 elements are from only A. And how many elements are there only B?
2.
Sir,
2.
2.
2 elements. They are 6 and 8. They are 6 and 8. Okay, children? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now look at next one. I am showing you the next slide. Look here. We are using this, okay, cardinal number, okay, to find out, okay, different values here. Look, uses of formula to find the cardinal number of overlapping sets. If two sets are overlapping sets, what will be its formula? Okay, children, look here. And please, I am telling you to note down also. NU means what? Do you know? Look here. NU. This formula, look, NU means NA plus NB minus NA intersection B plus NA union B complement. This is okay, dash. Another one also there is formula. NA union B means what now? NA union B means NA plus NB minus NA intersection B is the formula. Okay. Number 3. NA union B complement means what? NA union B complement means NU, this N universal set minus NA union B. Next one, look here. NA intersection B means, look, NA intersection B complement means what? Complement means we are going to subtract. Which complement we are going to find, that we have to subtract from universal set. NU minus NA intersection B. Okay, number 5. N only A. How to find N only A? N only A is found by subtracting NA intersection B from NA. Okay, subtract NA intersection B from NA. Okay, children. And N only B, how to find? Look here. N only B is found by subtracting NA intersection B from NB. Look here. I am going to show in this Venn diagram only. See here. First one, NU means what? Look here. NU means NA. What is NA total here? Can you tell NA total?
4.
4. Good. Here you write 4 here. In place of NA 4. In place of NB, what do you write here? 4. Okay.
4.
And minus and A in section B. How many you write? And A in section B means how many you write here? And A in section B means 2. They are C and D, no? 4 plus 4, what became this? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2.
6.
6. Good. 6. And A union B complement means this outside of what is outside one? Look here. G and S. How many are there? 2. It was there 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 2. 6. And 6 plus 2, 8. Altogether, how many elements are there? Total
8.
8. One number answer came like that. Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to find a look and A union B? Look here. And A union B means and A plus and B minus and A in section B. Look here. Let's check here. And A, what will be here? And A 4. Right? 4. And B 4. And minus and A in section B you like 2. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. That's why and A union B will be here
6.
6. Are there 6 elements in A and B?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Very good. Like this, we have to use this formula. Next one, look here. And A union B complement. And A union B complement means and U minus and A union B. And U, how many are total and U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you like 8. 8 minus what will be this and A union B? A union B means A, B, C, D, E, F. That means 6. 8 minus 6, what will be there?
2.
2. Then look here. A union B complement. There are how many elements? A union B complement. A union B complement. Are there 2 or not? Aditya, are there 2
Yes, sir.
elements? Good. Very good. Now look here. I am asking you next. And A intersection B complement. And A intersection B complement means what? And U minus and A intersection B. Means from this total there are 8 elements. 8 minus what will be? 2. 8 minus 2, what will come?
2.
No, this one.
6.
6.
6 will be the element, that will be the elements of an A intersection B complement. Understood, children? Look here. This is for the overlapping set. Okay, 2 overlapping set. One look here. I am again teaching next one. Look here, 5 number. And only A. How to find and only A? And only A means A and B only. A and B only here. And only A means from A we have to subtract and A in section B. A, how many are there? A? Aditya, can you tell?
4.
4. Good. Simran has told correct answer. And A means 4. And A in section means what here? 2 elements. From, yes, very good. From A, if we subtract and A in section B, 2 elements, then what will be left here? What will be remaining here?
2.
AB.
2.
There are 2 elements. Good. How to find and only A? Honest children?
Yes, sir.
By using
Yes,
this
sir.
formula. Look here. And only B. And only B. How to find? Look here. Eh? And only B means and B minus and A in section B. From B, from this B, 4 elements, subtract the elements of intersection. 4 minus 2. How many elements will be there? 2.
2.
Understood,
2.
children? Understood?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Good. Now I am going to show you the next one question. Look at this one. This is for the solution one, okay? This is for one solution. Look, here is given. Look, 2 sets are given there. One set A, another set B. Okay. Look, what is given in question? N A equals to what is there? Can you read it? Simrika, can you read it?
4.
4.
A equals to 4 and B
And B?
equals to 4.
And A? And
And
A
A
intersection. Okay, here must be intersection. Here must
and
be
A
intersection.
intersection B.
Okay, this was copied here. One, just I want to show you here. Okay. Okay, children, look here. There was.
Sir, that question was from book or not? Because
Okay.
in book there was another question. So
Yes, yes. This is prepared by me only. Similar questions are there in book. You can do. I hope if you see this one, you can do
this
from book.
question also we have to do.
Okay, you understand from here. Okay, then later on you can do from book. Okay, children. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
I hope you can do that. Or not? Can you do or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Similar questions are there.
Yes, sir, we can do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. Now I
Sir,
am
once
going.
can you show that formula one?
Yeah, I will show. I will show you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, children. I was showing this one, right? Okay. It is shown there. Okay, you can take the. Okay, it's a screenshot or you can write down. Note down. Has it been shown? It has been shown or not there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look here. I am going to show you the next one. This one I was showing. Look here, children. And A in section B it was here. Okay. And I told you this. We have to use this formula. N A union B means what? Na plus Nb minus Na in section B. Then you will get 6 1 here. 4 plus 4 8 8 minus 2 6. And N only A. How to find out here? Na minus Na in section B. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, children. N only B. How to find out? N only B means Nb minus Na in section B. You will get 4 minus 2 2. Are you clear, children? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am going to show you the next one. Okay, you can find out next also. Okay, children, it is like this. Look here. These two sets are disjoint sets. What type of sets are these?
Disjoint set.
Disjoint set. In case of disjoint set, only A means also set A. Okay. Only A means and set A means same. Okay, children. And only B means and B is same. Okay, because there is no common. And N A union B means this
Yes,
also you
sir.
can note down. N A union B means Na plus NB. And Na in section B there is nothing. This is phi. Okay, this empty set symbol phi. You write 0 and chord overlays. Okay, like by vertical line. This is called phi. This is called phi. This empty set. There is no common. That's why that's empty set. And N A minus B means also from A B subtract means that is also N A. And N B minus A means also N B. From B if you subtract A here, B only left here. These are the formulas for the two disjoint sets. When there are no common elements, we have to use this formula. It will be useful for your exercise also. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now I am proceeding to the next one here for the disjoint set. Look here. Set A. Set A means how many are there? 2. Set B, how many? Cardinal number of set B? 4. Cardinal number of set U, universal set, what is there? Altogether, how many elements are there? 10 elements. And A union B is asked to find, only A also asked to find, only B also asked to find. Then what will be there? Look here, I have shown here. As I told you, an A union B means an A plus an B. 2 plus 4 means 6. Only A means an A, okay? Because these two are disjoint sets. Only A means an A. An A itself is the only A. And only B means an B. There are also 4 elements. Are you clear, children, this one?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay. And have you torn over the pages of a book?
Yes, sir.
Yes. By looking today's this all the classwork, you can prepare the note of question number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Prepare the note of 1, 2, 3. But look here, I am going to show you the 3 number related one. In a survey of 60%, look here, hey, read question. Okay, total people are 60. That's why we have to denote. Suppose this one, we have to denote this 60 by an U, because an means total one. Okay, universal set 60. And 30 drink milk. Milk one we are supposing A, an A, cardinal number of set A. And 25 drink curd, that I have supposed here and B. Okay, 25. And here is clear 10% drink milk as well as curd. Means that is common. Common means A in section B is 10. Okay, and now what is asked to find here? Draw a Venn diagram telling. Draw a Venn diagram to show. Venn diagram should be shown like this. Okay, common element should be written here. Common number, what is there? Both 10. Okay, altogether there were A, the people who like to drink milk, 30 there were. 30 minus 10, what will be here? 20. And this total curd, how many were there? 25. 25 minus 10. Then here remaining only curd, how many? 15. Then outside, how many remaining now? Total there is 60, no? Then 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 15, 45. 45 plus 15, 60. It should come total 60. This is the relation of set A, B in a Venn diagram. And we can find out this by using this formula. Okay, children? Look, an A union B complement means an U minus an A union B. And an U means 60. An A union B, it has formula an A plus an B minus an A in section B. Then we can write here 30 plus 25 minus 20, this 10, okay? 30, okay, this 55 minus 10, 45. And 60 minus 45, what will you get? 15.
15.
Okay, like this we have to solve. It will be helpful for your question number 3. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
And today this much
Okay,
only.
sir.
Today this much only. Practice question number 1, 2 and 3 today. Okay, and wherever you have difficulties you can share with me in the next class. Okay, children?
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye bye all of you.
Bye bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye bye all of you.